Honestly, what I want people to get out of this video is to just...
Hold up, before you hear what I have to say here and actually take it seriously and apply it to your life, we're gonna have to go back to about a month ago. So yeah, I decided I was going to do 100 push-ups every day for 30 days. And I wasn't going to make a video on this initially, but it turned out to be a pretty awesome experience. Here's why. I haven't really been outside all day. I've been inside. I haven't really gotten a chance to get some fresh air, so I thought I'd go on a walk, share with you guys kind of what my thoughts are and how this challenge went. So I basically arranged this video into 3 points that I took from this. And the first one that I want to talk about is the physical aspect, because this was the focus when I made the goal, but it ended up being a small part of what I experienced. Yeah. So when I first started this challenge, I would do 5 reps 20 times until I got to 100. Maybe I'd do 10 reps at a time. Mainly I'd stick to 5. Then after a week or so, I moved up to 10 reps at a time, which meant I only had to do 10 sets. And now, more recently, I've been actually doing 15 reps at once. So overall, I was able to increase the amount of reps I did at once and decrease the amount of sets required to get to that 100 push-up mark. And I would just be doing these reps throughout the day, whether I was just sitting on the couch and remembered, oh, I have to do some push-ups, or I was waiting for the microwave, or I'm on a walk like this. You get the point. So if you were to try this challenge for yourself, you'd probably get better at push-ups and build some discipline along the way, which is nice, but what does that have to do with the title of this video? I'm getting there. So this next point is much more psychological, I guess, and it's something I didn't really anticipate very much, but it actually makes a lot of sense. So as I did these push-ups throughout the day, I found it had a really positive impact on my mood. I just felt better throughout the day as I did these sets. And where I live, we essentially went back into lockdown, which really sucks because now I'm back in online school and I've been getting all these headaches from all the screen time I have to do. So what I like to do sometimes is put the screen away, do a couple sets of push-ups, and then I just feel refreshed and ready to go again. But why is that? Why do I feel so much better after only doing 20 push-ups? Well, I don't know why, but I turned to Google. Here's what I found. Hello there. So you've probably heard of dopamine in your life, and if you haven't, it's basically this hormone that's known as the feel-good neurotransmitter. It's basically responsible for giving you that feeling of satisfaction in your life. And when you exercise and do physical activity, this stimulates the release of not only dopamine, but norepinephrine, probably didn't say that right, and serotonin. Anyway, those 3 chemicals play a vital role in regulating your mood throughout the day. And you've probably felt this sensation if you've ever exercised before, but unfortunately where I live, everything's been shut down, so an exercise like a push-up is perfect because I can literally do it anywhere. It's literally been a lifesaver. We're on the 3rd and final point, and this is the point that I really want to talk about. You see, I've always been a very goal-driven person. I've always had goals in my life. But recently, with high school, everything's just gotten so busy, and I'm just constantly doing things that I haven't really been as good at making goals and writing them out and accomplishing them, which is really unfortunate. So me, going into this challenge, I've been really slacking on my goals, but doing these push-ups has been so fulfilling, and I've essentially reset the goal aspect of my life. Now, after completing this challenge, I write down all the goals I want to do and accomplish, and I check them off every single day I do them. Bed, whiteboard. There's literally no way I could forget. which allows me to be more productive and focused on what I want to do because I'm visiting and interacting with these goals every single day. And it may be pretty crazy to say that just doing push-ups did this, but it did it for me, and I just, yeah.
Honestly, what I want people to get out of this video is to just make a goal, because the fact that you can be a better you tomorrow than you are today is just really powerful. And if you already make goals, that's awesome and good, and you should go accomplish them. But if you don't make goals, it's never too late to start. So start right now. Maybe none of what you just heard is new to you, but I'm just hoping that you can take something away from this. Shout out to everyone still watching this video. I hope it's not like a complete mess or something, and you guys who watch to the end are really what boosts the algorithm and allow my stuff to get shown to more and more people. So yeah, next challenge is 100 push-ups in a row. I have no idea why I felt that was necessary, but it happened.